way, nigga. Turn my way, nigga. Fucking all my way, nigga. Yeah. Biggest nigga. Step on niggas. Woo. I'm your first time getting a car. Another nigga bought it. My first time with a car. Nigga, you know that bitch that car.
What it do, YouTube? It's your boy Willow Stacks, man, and today we gonna do a 720S night drive video, man, and I hope y'all fuck with it. Alright, y'all, so we about to pull out of this parking lot we in and hit the city. Wait for that car to wait for these cars to pass, because I wanna see if I can give you guys a couple revs in here. Put it in track mode, throw that thing on, watch it move. It'll be changing the screen when it goes into track mode, kind of like a video game, but give y'all a couple revs. Just some calm. Oh, I thought that dude hopped out that whip. Some dude hopped out the whip. I thought he was about to hop out the whip to be like, yo, why you revving your car? Imagine. Nah, it do sound crazy, bro. If y'all don't know, man, we in that 720S. I had to tell y'all again, just in case y'all ain't know, you know what I'm saying? But, yeah, we in that 720, man. It's gonna be crazy. It doesn't really have ambient lighting like the Benz, if y'all seen the GT63 video, but I mean, it's not supposed to really have stuff like that. It's a supercar, so it's really just, you know what I'm saying, it's a calm little night drive. I'm about to put the windows up though, because there's really no point in me. And I'm about to take it off of track mode, because, you know what I'm saying, we don't really want to disturb the peace. Watch the screen go back to normal. But about to head up out of here. I think we're gonna go through. We're gonna go through the front. Oh, my fault if I can't hold it still for y'all. This is this car be drawing a lot of attention. I wouldn't say it's like, you know, it's a bad thing, but sometimes, you know, people just feel like too confident to just come and talk to you. Like, I just went to the gas station. I had like 2 people walk up on me on some just like, yo, the car is nice, whatever, you know what I'm saying? But like, I don't know, that stuff is just like a little, you know what I'm saying? You just don't walk up to anybody like that, you know what I'm saying, at night. That close. Like, I'm telling y'all, these boys was within like our arm's reach, you know what I'm saying? And they got real close, you know what I'm saying? Like, some of the stuff, you know what I'm saying, you could do to an extent, like from a distance, it's like, all right, cool, you know what I'm saying? But walking up to me, like, you know what I'm saying, that's, nah, like, you can't just, I mean, y'all know, I mean, maybe me, I'm just like that, but like, I feel like that's just etiquette. I hope I used the right word. You know what I'm saying, dude? I gotta do my research on that, but yeah, I don't know if that's the proper etiquette. But from a distance, like, whatever, you know, or like if it's like a little kid and like his parent or something, there's not an issue with that. That's pretty cool. But when it's like you coming up to me asking me questions, just talking about my car, and you real close, like, nah, that's not it. But, you know, that's just what's gonna come with it when you have a really nice car. People are just gonna walk up to you and want to ask you all sorts of questions. Because at the end of the day, you know what I'm saying, there's a lot of people that want to have a car like this. Let me get up out this lane before I take the exit. Hold on, y'all. Gotta get up out this lane real quick. But we on the way to the downtown right now. Nothing crazy, you know, just, whoa. But it's just on some calm. But this car, even in its comfort mode, like I don't, this car, even in its like regular mode, it feels like it's just, I don't know. There's really no comfort in like, these cars are like, well, at least me, I didn't get like no carbon seat. Well, I mean, they come standard with carbon seats, but I didn't get like racing seats or nothing like that. I couldn't even imagine how uncomfortable those were. I saw them on like a 600 LT McLaren, and them seats are crazy. So definitely, I don't know about that, but you know, to each his own. Some people want those type of seats and will take it to the track. I haven't personally taken it to the track yet, but if y'all want to see my car on the track, definitely let me know, because that's something I've been thinking about. But I mean, to be honest, when I first got this car, as crazy as it might sound, I was actually going to daily, and I did for a little while until I had got my M3, which I ended up trading in for the GT. But I really thought I was gonna daily this car for a while, until I started to realize, like, yo, I can't daily this car. My back would hurt, and I'm too young for my back to be hurting. Like, you know, I can't have my back hurting out here. But what's crazy about these cars is like the engine is right behind you, so you hear everything, like every little thing. Yeah, as y'all can tell, we in the city right now. We just got here. This dude looking at me. I'm about to hit the 1,000-yard stare. Man, y'all know when they pull up and you don't got no cash on you, and they just looking straight at you, you just gotta look straight up like this. Look, you gotta just head on straight. Like, you can't even look to the side, for real. That's how it be. And y'all can't cap like y'all don't be doing that too, bro. You know what I'm saying? You don't want to look to the side or nothing at all. But I'm about to put the windows down. Hopefully the wind isn't too much. I don't know if y'all can hear the turbos. Whoa. See, that's what I be talking about. We just went over some train tracks and it sounded like the end of the world. About to bust a left right here. Is that someone honking at me? Best not be honking at me. But yeah, the city is full of people today. I don't know why, but calm to go pull for y'all. I'm about to bust another left, I think. Yeah, I'm about to bust another left. I don't know if I should put it in, man. I think I'm gonna just put it in sport. I don't know what we're passing by right now, but I just hit a brick road, so this thing about to bounce up and down. Damn, I just walked by like a whole bunch of bars. Oh. Passing by the front of like a, bro, when there's so many people around, bro, I get so like nervous, bro. I don't know, cause it's like you in something that, like, you know, obviously, like, I know it's gonna bring attention, but like, bro, when you're around a whole bunch of people, bro, it definitely gets uncomfortable. Got people in the middle of the road, like, yo. Okay, you got the picture? Oh, for sure, you got it. Don't even worry about it. Oh, we got biker gang, scooter gang. Man, they deep as fuck. Them boys is like 5 deep, 10 deep. Damn, I think they almost just hit somebody. They just come in pajamas and hop in scooters. That's funny. I think I'm about to bust a left right here. Next person that pulls up on me, I'm gonna tell him it's rented. If someone does pull up on me. The dude behind me just flashed his light. I didn't even notice the light was on green. In a very politely way, he was like, yo, get from around. What's up with bro? So he basically just got in front of me for no reason. Like, okay, buddy. For no reason, and then it's gonna turn. Liquor pull for y'all. Liquor pull. Liquor. Who was that? I've never seen a taxi Tesla, by the way. That is crazy. A taxi Tesla is crazy. Is that a wrap or is that like a color? Because I don't know if y'all can see, but it's yellow, but it says taxi on the side too, if I'm not mistaken. This car is literally in the middle of the way. But we're gonna hit the tunnel right now. We're gonna hit the tunnel right now. Little pull for y'all in the tunnel. That's nice. But yeah, the city's definitely small. Ain't really too many places to go. So I'm gonna just keep driving around for a little longer. And that's pretty much it for y'all. I mean, there isn't really too much. If y'all want to know anything or want a part 2 or more about the car, just let me know in the comments. That's what I've been trying to, like, I read my comments, you know, and I'll interact with them. I'm saying, if y'all want to tell me anything. But people in downtown ride on all types of things, like scooters. I'm seeing, like, I don't even know what to call them, but like they're like not skateboards, but like boards with a wheel in the middle. Like, look, I don't even know what those are called, but damn, bro, this thing is deep. You got trees everywhere. I think I'm about to just bust a left at the next light. There's like a million cars coming, so hopefully I'm able to get this off before the red comes. Yeah, I should be. My fault if I'm not letting y'all see. I'm trying to focus on the road. All right, we're good. But yeah, y'all, that's pretty much it. If y'all want any more content, let me know.
You bought it this big.
Pull off in that cool. Nigga think I hit the boost, I'm headed to the booth. Getting loot, that's what I do. Might slide up on your bitch. Tell you I'm a smooth dude. These niggas telling lies, but baby, you know I'm the truth. Can't wait till I